What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, May 2nd, Monday. Friday was pretty brutal. We saw some huge swings, so I hope everybody learned that, man, this right now, if you're unsure, take half size or trade or just watch. These swings have been pretty brutal, so, let's not hop in with all of our margin on trades because, again, it's getting whippy. Overnight low is 41.11.25, kind of a double bottom on that. Overnight high is 41.58. We would need to get over that. We need over 41.59. Ideally, we need over 42.29 to get anything in some somewhat bullish structure of this market. Right now, everything's bearish. This is a 365-day volume profile. I moved this one out to 2 years because I was running out of shit because we're back into May of last year's levels. 4070-ish, 72-ish is kind of like the last line. So the next level down is 4101, which is right here. This was the February low from Russia, the Russian news. And then we have this node at 4070, and then I'm blank all the way down. So I would assume if we lose this level here, we'd be on track to hit the 3900 level. And then if you look, I mean, our next major one is 3374. And I think I posted this over the weekend. But we start to get some good volume. Look at the 2-year. The 2-year POC is 3000. I don't, that's like we all die level, but I don't see that happening right now. I'm not. Again, I from a macro sense, we're all gonna this will eventually all get bought up. So I'm not terribly concerned. I don't think it's going to zero, and I don't think we're all gonna die. But anyway, so that's kind of where we're at. 4101, 4070, and then after that, it's tough to find levels down there just because it's been over a year. We're looking at last year's levels. Euro and dollar, I've got a 105. It keeps bouncing off that since that dip. Friday just got crushed, but look at that wick back up. So it's been bouncing off the 105, right? Bounce, rip, bounce, rip, bounce, rip. So, but been on the lower aspect of it. Look at that trend line. The little thing did it for me. Makes me happy. Anyway, but keep this on your charts because this has been pretty accurate. So when the euro goes down, the equities go down. When the euro goes up, equities go up. It's held pretty true for an indicator. Dow's green now, up 11. So I don't know what's going to happen today. Just stay frosty. Again, double bottom at 11. So maybe the lows are in and we rip up today. I don't know. But again, levels up here, 4182. That's going to be a good level. 4211's big. There was a lot of volume in that area, and then again 4229. But again, that's 80 higher, whatever. I guess that's easy, right? That's 100 higher from where we're at. Why not, right? This week's going to be brutal. Most of this global manufacturing PMI, job openings, Wednesday, this employment will be interesting. And then, of course, Fed statement, 25 to a half. Some people are estimating they do 3/4. I would assume the half is priced in. At some point, we're going to have a Fed statement and we're going to rally. I don't know if that's this one, but at some point that's going to happen. We'll see how aggressive they get. And then we got non-farm payrolls on Friday, although, that hasn't had a lot of impact on the market recently. So, maybe this one does. It's always those ones that you forget about because they quit, having an impact, and then all of a sudden one day they do have an impact. It's funny how our brains work. We forget about things, we focus on others, and then it's that tail risk. So anyway, again, right now I'm sitting on a very bearish aspect, especially if we open below 41.18. That's going to be fairly ugly. We're below it right now. 45 minutes to cash open. So again, 4101, then 4070, and then shit, I don't know, and then it gets into the 3900. I really don't have a lot of levels down here. I mean, we could probably make some up, but 4028. Actually, that might be a good level. So maybe 4028. We got to start making shit up down here. Again, this hasn't been trading so long. I really don't. This blank area is what concerns me. So I feel like once we lose this, we hit this. But anyway, I'm rambling. So be safe today. Don't stay in trades too long. And, if you've got profit, take it. Don't stick around don't be a hero. Save capital. If you're worried about anything, take half size or don't trade. Okay, not trading is a trade. Anyway, stay safe and we'll talk soon.